Hello everyone, we are the group 1 and we are here to tackle about our report which is youth leadership training and organization. But before that, we have to know what are the objectives. So, at the end of the lesson, the students are expected to describe the different virtues as the foundations of leadership, state and describe the qualities and characteristics of a good leader, differentiate and illustrate the kinds of leader style as practiced by leaders, identify the factors that contribute to the team development and members, appraise the effectiveness of a 7 team well-being secrets, demonstrate the person involvement in decision making, understand the value of delegations and its importance of leadership, and lastly is to know the value of self-leadership in a team and its component. So, I'm Christianic Welby Arizalita, and my topic is leader and leadership defined. So, what is leadership? Leadership is the art of influencing people to get the necessary support and cooperation in community affairs and to maintain solidarity among people. So, leadership, mao na siya ang katong iyang trait gani ko unsaon na to pag-lead, unsaon na to pag-direct, unsaon na to pag-guide sa atong followers. So, mo na siya ang katong to empowers the team's success. To success. So, ano siya, i-guide na to sila para ma-achieve ang goals. The next is leader. Leader is the one who helps or facilitates communities of people. They are the one who help people take risks, encourages commitment, make decisions, direct, speak for the community, and envisions a better future for his or her group. So, leader, mo ni siya ang katong person, mo ni siya ang nagamando. So, mo ni siya ang sundan sa mga followers. So, siya ang mag-direct, mag-lead, take risks o mag-help sa community or people para ma-achieve ang goals. Goal. So, as Peter Drucker pointed out, a leader has followers. Even poor leaders has followers, but usually not for long. That is because the goal of leadership is to get result. So, ana si Peter Drucker, kita tanan pwede mahimog leader. Pero dili daw magdugay. Why? Kay ang goal sa leadership is makuha ang result. Makuha ang result. So, ang uban, dili nila makuha ang results because maglisod sila og achieve, maglisod sila og guides, maglisod sila og magpaka-leader. So, lisod gina siya guys, no? So, next is Virtues as the Foundations of Leadership by Covey, 1991. Virtue is defined as conformity to a standard of right and morality. It is a beneficial quality or power of a thing, and thus a commendable trait or habit. So, virtue mo na siya ang habits or traits sa leadership. So, mo na siya ang standard of right and morality, kung unsa ang standard. So, the following virtues are considered the foundation of leadership, which is prudence, justice, fortitude, temperance, industry, loyalty, responsibility, cheerfulness, generosity, and magnanimity. So, what is prudence? So, prudence is the habit which enables man to direct his actions, so knowing the right thing to do and applying it. Siya. So, prudence, dapat, as a leader, you should know the right thing to do and how to apply it. No? Siya mag-direct. Then justice. Justice is the habit to give stability that a person needs to work without fear and anxiety in search of happiness. So justice mo na siya ang giving each one his or her things. Kung wala iya, dapat hatagan nimo, no? Then next is fortitude. habit of overcoming difficulties and pressures of life in pursuit of goodness. So dapat mo ni siya ang trait kung unsaon niya pag overcome sa kalisod sa mga pagsubok in life and how to handle it. No, para makuha na to ang happiness, makuha na tong result. Next is temperance, the habit of bringing desires and natural inclinations of man under the control of reason. So, temperance, dapat in control ka. No, kay followers na to, lahi-lahi ginatag, lahi-lahi na silang mga, lahi-lahi na mga batasan, lahi-lahi mga tao, itong kauban, itong mga atubang, no. So, dapat, in control good ang leader, dili lang mo kalit dili lang mo kalit tag buto dira kay nasuko na ta na ulit ta. No. So, dapat, stay calm or gihapon, bahalag unsa man mahitabo. Stay calm, think. Wala. Next is industry. So, the habit of working hard and working under pressure. So, same lang sila ni temperance. Ang temperance is dapat i-control nimo ang imong temper, while ang industry is ma-work nimo, maka-work ka. Work under pressure. Sa imong pag-work hard para makuha nimo, ma-achieve nimo ang goal. No? Next is loyalty. So, the habit of remaining time to your friends and to your principles in time of difficulty. So, dapat loyal gihapon ka kung unsay imong goals in life. Dapat bisag daghan ay pagsubok sa life. Dapat straight lang gihapon, forward lang gihapon. If kay makuha na nimo kay para as a leader gyud no, kay daghan man gyud na mga pagsubok in life, no. Daghay pagsubok in life. So bahalag nagkalisod na mo dira, basta straight lang. Goal is the goal. Next is responsibility. So habit of being accountable for one's actions, duties and obligations. So dapat as a leader ready na to answer the consequences of one's actions, kay sala sa isa, sala sa tanan, no? Wala siya. Pero ang leadership may dako-dako, so siya dapat ang leader dapat ang motubag sa sayo. So dapat guys, dili ta magpataka-taka lang, no? Next is cheerfulness. Habit of being optimistic, always seeing the brighter side. So, leadership, dili dapat mag-think ang leader dapat dili mag-think og negativity. Dapat puro lang positive. Kasi, if mag-think og negatives, diha na mo mawala, malayo na mo sa inyong goals, then dili na ninyo makuha inyong goals. So, dapat always think positive and just go straight to your goal lang yun. Forward lang. Next is generosity. The habit of sharing the good that one has with other people. So, dapat generous ka. Kung unsay naa sa imo, dapat ihatag nimo sa imong team members, no? Kay dapat you should know how to look for other people. Sa mga leaders, selfish gud na sila, no? Dili na sila selfish. Kay mas giuna nila ang ilang mga followers or mga members kaysa sa ilang self, no? Next is magnanimity. The habit of having great ideals and ambitions of doing good. Being concerned with doing great deeds of service to others by devoting one's life to help one's country and people. So, magnanimity. So, muna siya, dapat nagit kay great ambitions while achieving that goals, you have to work harder. Dapat na ideal ambitions para makuha na ninyo, ma-achieve na ninyo ang inyong goals. So, next is the